Attention all travelers. If your name is added to the missing persons list at the end of your cruise, please accept in advance our most sincere apologies. Thank you. Jungle skippers, don't forget to keep extra oars handy on your ship. That way you won't find yourself stranded up the river without a paddle.
It isn't a paddle, it's not the canoe. It isn't the river or tide that all blue. It isn't the long breeze that brings joy to you. It's the girl. It's the girl. It isn't a problem that you always wanted to. It isn't a mountain, flowers, or the morning dew. It isn't the loveliness that brings us
All right, take your favorite hand, guys, and wave goodbye to all the beautiful skips. Never mind, I don't see any beautiful skippers. Oh my God. Wave goodbye all to the people behind them there. Goodbye, all people. Goodbye. All right, and wave goodbye to all my hopes and dreams. Goodbye. I'll see you never. Yeah, all right. Welcome to the world famous jungle cruise, guys. My name is Skipper L, and today I will be your skipper, your jungle guide, your safety instructor, your dance instructor, your snake charmer, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, I will be your swimming instructor. Yes, please laugh, okay? It's too early in the morning for me to cry. We begin our journey here on the Amazon River, where it rains 573 days a year. That is almost every other day. It's kind of like a Florida summer out here, but it looks like we might have missed one. On either side of the boat, you'll see some beautiful monarch butterflies. Now, those butterflies, they grow up to be a whole 1 foot, or a whopping 12 inches. Yeah, that makes them the rulers of the jungle. Their beauty is just kind of unmeasurable. And now over here to your left, you will see Inspiration Falls, and you're probably wondering, Skipper L, why do you call it Inspiration Falls? And it is because the longer that you stare at it, and the more it inspires you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle, that is. So can everyone say, ooh? Let's say, ah. Yeah, that's inspiration if I ever heard it. And it looks like you guys inspired me to go all the way to the Congo River. So let's see how far we can go. Just like, if these next few jokes are going to be my Congo lines. Yeah, that is my best joke, guys. It's only downriver from here. Now, I did set up a surprise party for you all, and I invited all of my friends to come and celebrate. So we're going to make snacks and games, and never mind. It looks a lot like my 16th birthday party over there. I don't see anyone. Canoe? Yeah, no, it might have scared them away as a giant snake sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. Now, can anybody tell me what kind of snake that is? It begins with a P. Plastic. It's plastic, actually. Yeah. Oh, what is going on over here? Oh, yeah. It looks like these girls are calling the shots now, and they're just having a real blast trashing this campsite. Yeah, and my sheep is just like, look what I did to my sheep. I know, they needed it blue. That's really disappointing. I really wanted it pink, but at least I got it to turn over. I could never do that. They probably used a monkey wrench or something. Oh, that brings us all the way to the Nile River, which is the longest river in the world, and it just goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're probably in a boat in Africa, actually. Yeah. That is an African bull elephant right there. Now, really fun fact about elephants, guys. You know that elephants, they actually have the best memory in the jungle. It is super cool. Oh, hey, an African bull elephant. Now, really fun fact about elephants, guys. You know that elephants, they actually have the best memory in the jungle. It is really cool. Yeah. And now right here is one of our more bolder attractions, straight from the Jungle Cruise movie, The Rock. Yeah. And that brings us all the way to the African boat, which is home to a lot of really dangerous animals. But don't worry, guys. We bolted them all down for your safety. Yeah, it's also home to the 3 most rare zebras ever in the world. And if you look right up there, there is 1, 2. Yeah, well, I really wonder what's going through the zebra's head right now. Probably teeth. It's most likely teeth. Yeah. Oh, and what is going on over here? Is that Skipper Felix? Oh my gosh, okay, this is really funny. You guys don't see this every day, unless you're me. Yeah, now that right there, the low man on the totem pole, that is Skipper Felix, and we have a bet going on every single day, and he can outrun that rhino, and every day he is wrong, and I am right. He's never going to be able to outrun that rhino, but you know, what a rhino. Maybe one day he's going to get the point in the end. Yeah. Nature does really lurk in every bend in the jungle, guys. You have to be careful, especially here in crocodile country. Now, right over here is what you would call a parrot croc. That one on the left there, that is my good friend Smiley. He is very friendly. So when you have to look out for those It's full of bacteria. Thousands and thousands of bacteria. Yeah. But now the part of the Jungle Cruise you're probably wondering, Skipper L, how did you ever land your job here? Well, it's plain to see. I took a crash course that I've been winging ever since. Yeah, that's the tail end of that story. My career never really took off like how I thought it would, and that joke didn't really land. It flew over most of y'all's head. But you know what they say about a down plane in the jungle, right? Yeah, hippos, that is right. Yeah, they do say hippos. Oh, yep, and it does look like we ended up in a hippo boat. They're very dangerous creatures. Yeah, they're known to capsize boats just like this one. And, oh no! Our boat! It's broken! Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna scare away these hippos just like how I scared away my ex-boyfriend. I love you! Yeah, there they go. It works every time. They run screaming and never come back. Yeah, oh, well. Yeah, it looks like we found the front half of that boat over there, and I guess what they say really is true. Yeah, it's not just so easy for the monkey to do it. Yeah. You're never gonna get anywhere though. That's not from Disneyland, not Disney World, but whatever floats their boat. Yeah, they're just all bananas over there. They're not even telling any good jokes. There's a bunch of elephant facts, which is super lame. What? Elephants have the best memory in the jungle? That's pretty cool. Oh, you guys haven't martyrs slides. That is just pretty super rare and in danger. Oh yeah, they are martyrs slides. And I just can't believe they're not butter. Yeah. Well, now, did you know when you bought them? Ready for put your hands together for the eighth wonder of the world. It is the backside of water! I like making chemistry notes periodically. They're not really in my element, but I think they're okay. Yeah. What that brings us all the way to the Mekong River in the heart of Cambodia. And if you're anything like me, this cruise is probably Mekong you crazy. That right over there is the goddess Shirley, so I guess that makes it Shirley's temple, actually. Oh, hold on. This is a new entrance. Okay, I've never been this way before, and it looks kind of dark and scary. Do you guys still want to go in? Yeah. I was really afraid to say that. Okay, keep your eyes open. I'm going to close mine. Oh, actually, before I forget, really fun fact about elephants, guys. Did you guys know that elephants, they have something. I already forgot. Never mind. Anyway, now is my favorite part of the Jungle Cruise, where I get to point out my favorite jungle plans for you guys. Like that one, right there. This one. Oh, and this tree right here. Well, actually, speaking of the trees, if you want the actual names, up in the trees are some hibiscus, and don't worry if you can't see those. Right underneath them are some low biscuits. Yeah, and then in the water just there, that is a sea biscuit. Pretty cool. Yeah. Now, every good Disney ride, as you know, has to end in a gift shop, and we have our own here at the Jungle Cruise, which is Trader Sam's Lost and Found. Trader Sam's gift shop, not the Lost and Found. Yeah, I always get it wrong. Yeah. Oh, those two monkeys up front, they're having a boxing match. I'll keep this brief here. Then. Oh, and that monkey taking our picture, his name is Marcel. Yeah. Many people think they were paying him to take those pictures, but we're not. He's just doing it for the exposure. Yeah. Well, now it has come to the most dangerous part of our journey, the return to civilization.